Hey everybody, it's Richie again. Just an update on Universal Studios Frankenstein. And in this update, you'll see that I had filled it in, sanded it, and primed. Okay, let me show you what I got. If you guys remember on the last video I did, we had a lot of seams. I assembled the Frankenstein and it had a lot of seams. Not too bad actually, considering all the past builds I've done. But in this video you'll see that I filled it, sanded it. All those nasty seams are all in the past now, as you can see. And you guys remember the front, he looked like he had a fly. She doesn't anymore. Remember the legs. And in the back. So anyway, and also the head. And as well as the arms also. Let me show you that. See? Arms are all gone. So next stage of this build will be, as soon as I can get him standing up here. Next phase of this build will be starting the paint. Okay, like I said, I just wanted to keep this real short video. So this is the 1/8 scale Frankenstein from Universal Studios. Monsters. An old Aurora kit, and again this will be the companion for the Universal Studios Dracula had already built, and then also be doing a mummy after this. So anyway, in this video again, this was the gaps were filled, sanded, and Frankenstein is primed and ready for paint. Okay, see you guys on the next video.